News India. This is Neha here and today we have a special report on Pride Month of LGBTQ. Let's have a look.
Love who you want, be who you want, and surround yourself with people you want. Never change, for you are wonderful, beautiful, and unstoppable. No one and nothing can stop you from being the person you want to be. Never forget that, and remember, love is love. Love is never wrong, love knows no gender. Yes, today I'm talking about the Pride Month of LGBTQ community. An annual LGBTQ Pride celebration every year during the month of June. The LGBTQ community celebrates in a number of different ways. Across the globe, various events are held during this special month as a way of recognizing the influence LGBTQ people. June is the Pride Month when the world LGBTQ communities come together and celebrate the freedom to themselves. Lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender Pride Month is celebrated annually to honor the 1969 Stonewall riots, the protest that changed LGBTQ rights for a lot of people in America and beyond, and works to achieve equal justice and equal opportunity. Earlier, the LGBTQ community and individuals remained targets for the hate, violence, and backlash throughout the world. The hard work of activists and allies made it possible to reach this era where the perpetrators of violence, not the victims, and condemned as sick. The human rights of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and intersex people are coming in sharper focus around the world, with important advances in many countries in recent years, including the adoption of new legal protections. The preamble to the Indian Constitution mandates justice, social, economic, and political equality of status for all. The right of equality before law and equal protection under the law is guaranteed in Article 14 and 21 of the Constitution. In April 2014, the Supreme Court of India ruled in NALSA versus Union of India that the rights of freedoms of transgender people in India were protected under the Constitution. In September 2018, the Supreme Court also decriminalized adult consensual same-sex relationships in the Section 377 Judgment Review. These judgments are considered a landmark both in terms of their expansive reading of constitutional rights and in empowering LGBTQ persons. Today, homosexuality and queer identities may be acceptable to more Indian youths than ever before, but within the boundaries of family, home, and school, acceptance of their sexuality and freedom to openly express their gender choices still remain a constant struggle for LGBTQ people. Pride Month is about teaching tolerance, education in Pride history, and continuing to move forward in equality. There are usually colorful parades, concerts, and marches, but this year a lot of these will be moved online to keep to social distancing rules. We celebrate Pride Month because pride is the opposite of shame, and we should not be ashamed to be the we were born. We should not have to pretend to be anyone other than who we are. We should not have to hide who we love for fear of reactions, because love is for everybody.
Thanks for watching Rebel News India. Stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.